Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert the SD card at the Nokia 7.2. So for that we need next to the phone the pin. If you have put it back into the box you will find it here usually. So you should find it there, if not maybe somewhere in your box. So just remove the plastic film and remove it like this. So this is the one you have to look for. Otherwise, if you don't have it anymore, you could use also of course the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Oops. So, yeah, then you have here the nano SIM cards on that position, on the first positions, also, or maybe just one. And yeah, here then on the back there will be the space for the microSD card, and finally it has to look like this then for the microSD now. And yeah, the contacts are below. Okay, and that construction you put just back into the phone like this. Check. And that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.